Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to unlock new chassis for your Trampler in Sand. If you're designing your own custom Trampler and want more options for its size, layout, or mobility, you'll need to unlock additional chassis types first. New chassis designs allow you to create larger, smaller, or more specialized Tramplers depending on your needs. To unlock them, return to the main lobby and open the tech tree. This is where you'll find the various research branches that grant access to new components, upgrades, and Trampler parts. To see which chassis are available, follow the branches that lead to Trampler-related upgrades. Hover over the different chassis nodes to view their requirements and the benefits they offer. If you're just starting out, the first chassis you'll likely unlock is the small chassis, which costs 900 crowns and suitable for a solo raider or a small crew. It's an affordable option for early game players looking to experiment with custom Trampler designs. You'll also notice alternative chassis variants within different tech branches, such as those found under Kaiser's tree. Some of these variants feature modified layouts, including designs with missing central sections that can offer different building possibilities and tactical advantages. As you progress through the game, you'll gain access to larger and more advanced chassis. Just keep in mind that higher tier chassis require significantly more crowns and materials to unlock. Once you've researched a new chassis, return to the Blueprints menu and start building. Your newly unlocked chassis will now be available as an option when creating or editing a Trampler design. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.